Blood clad, this we run off by bus for me in the morning at post 6. Watch out. What is really? I'll wheel over here to bump. A drama this morning to post. Me I wonder the fuck I go on.
A long time here we sit on bus so.
Clad dog. Where bus? Drama this morning. Couldn't catch Jesus. Watch out.
When you see that, my viewers, can you imagine a day in a coaster bus a go work or you go school and the tire go roll off? Thank God say nobody life never lost, me I tell you no. When you see enough of them coaster bus boy, yeah, them a make all type of money, you know, and them would never spend $1 on the bus. But as what I say, thank God nobody life never lost. So no, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawlin review. We have that fit talk about, plus a triple murder settings pan Windward Road, 3 crash dummy dead pan spot, and Jamaican Andrew Benjamin, a former Royal Cayman police constable, wanted for fraud and scam. So before me jump in at the reason and make you know what I go on, pre this.
What, I'm not allowed to go live? I didn't go live for 4 or 5 months. Letting him be the star, letting him get all the attention. I didn't even post the damn car that I paid for. Motherfuckers left it over there all fucked up, stopped driving it, jumped in the motherfucking Oxio. Now you want to get on here and talk about, like, make me look like I'm the bad person and I'm mistreating you and this and that. Boy, get out of here. Stop playing with me. Stop listening to Mr. Buck. Stop listening to Mr. Buck. Mr. Buck is leading you down the wrong road. Mr. Buck got you sitting over there with homeboy's girl. Looking stupid. Let's talk about it. You want to talk about it? Let's talk about it.
When you see her, them viewers, the big woman where did that take care of Pops YG and buying Benz, look like him and her left now. When you hear what she said, oh, and me know enough of who I go say, whether big woman you could have sip on Pops YG. Well, I saw it go boy ya. Enough big woman a run down young boy ya. Where them and them son in a same age group. And you think them care about that? None of them no care about that. Them just a think about themselves and them own pleasure. Them not think about the embarrassment where go come down pan them and the family them. Them only a think about for them what? Pleasure. When at the end of the day, most of them relationship you no last. Look around. Most big woman want to see take up young boy. You see the relationship last? The young boy them no want them. The man them just go and name them out and take with them for take and dig off. See him like how you see Pops YG right now. Like him now feel our energy no more. Him gone back to some youngin. So as what I say my viewers, wanna think. Me feel like say people should have just date them age. Cause you see at the end of the day, me no see no young boy we want no big woman. If him a talk to a big woman, him just a deal with her for some likes, money, car, papers, or something. Long as him get that, him dig off and gone left she. So my people, tell me what you wanna think and walk with me now. See me, Jamaican Andrew Benjamin, a former Royal Cayman police constable. Them a say the boy take away himself by boat, you know. After his sentence hearing is November the 8th. Benjamin was arrested and charged for thief and 5 counts of dishonesty. So in a 2022, Benjamin take away 20 grand from a old woman and say him a go send it go give her family them in a Jamaica. And him never do it, my people. And the reason why the old woman do this is because the old woman trust him. Remember when me a say, you know, say Andrew Benjamin, you know, was a Royal Cayman police constable, you know. And when them find out all of this where the boy are going with, you know, them fire him, you know. And when time the boy realize, say, yo, like him a go do jail time. Wanna think Andrew Benjamin do? Right now, the man take away himself and the boy in a Jamaica. Run from Cayman by boat and dip. So see it here. Jamaicans, them a make it bad for Jamaicans, them all over, you know. Andrew Benjamin was a police at Cayman, you know. So why him do this, my people? Because of greed? Because him love likes? Because him want get rich quick and fast? And him never want wait him turn? So as what I say, that man you wanna see on the screen, Andrew Benjamin, a former Royal Cayman police constable, Right now, him wanted a Cayman. And him left Cayman and run come a Jamaica right now. Half him fraud the people them over there. Scam the people them over there. Take away him for take. The boy all him landlord rent, me I tell you no. Till see it ya now. Police them a Cayman a look for him. Some people who no walk with me. We see a triple murder settings pan Windward Road. 3 crash dummy dead pan spot. See it ya get to youth. This is it boy you know. Take up on yourself boy now go pan step. What kind of step? Eh? I prefer this sit down round here. And I burn out a spliff and I go on normal out. See it ya now. Them have to go put you in a deep freeze round a Madden for your out. The youth them boy you now live and learn, you know. And it no matter how much of them want drop on them face, you know. Them still a go repeat the same cycle again, you know. Cause look ya. 3 youth take up themselves so them a go up on mission. Make the dance and the general send them out for go mix. And see it you know. The youth them bad flick. Squaddy them pronounce them me I tell you no. Uno feel the Dan and the general a go bury them. Uno think the Dan and the general a go put $1 for keep a 9 night for them youth ya. But the youth them nah learn. Every day me tell the youth them say the dance and the general them just a use a press up. Uno the biggest crash dummy in the system. Uno think uno mean nothing in the system youth. Eh? Notice no for uno Dan and general they are foreign. And he woulda never send for uno. The only thing him send come goonies are $50 and $100. And that is it me I tell you no. So get to youth. And that no for uno life worth you know. The man them say no for uno life no worth nothing. That's why them can program uno, use uno, and send uno out go do things all when them know say a crash dummy mission. Cause when me say, uno life no worth nothing, uno a gun bag in the system. That's why I no listen to enough of uno when uno do the blue pins and the cappings. Cause for the price is right, uno general push uno out of the system right now. Some people, 3 youth life lost. And I saw the thing go boy, them nah listen. A badness the thing name though. So duff cut and med settings. Some viewers wanna stay safe out there, you know. Protect phone no tree a road, you know. Cause we don't see where I go on boy. It's a bloody Christmas. The youth them now have no Christmas. So until next time, you see pre.